This is where it goes, Dad. What are you doing with that thing? What are you doing with this? Can I have it? You gonna help Daddy? Hey, say hi. Aiden, say hi. Yeah, it's a stupid paw. What? We need to get rid of it. I don't know what to do with it. Grandma doesn't like it. Where's your frogs? Where's your frogs? Well, you found a cat toy. Where's your... Look at your snowman in your chair. He got mad at the snowman in his chair.
Aiden.
Where's Tigger?
Aiden, come sing for me. It was fun.
Where's your daddy? Where's your daddy?
Hey. What's up? Come over here. No. I'm not going outside if you don't come over here.
Bye.
Bye, Aiden.
Bye. Push the button on the frogs. Push the button on the frogs. No, on the frogs. He's going to push the button on Frosty instead. You can do it. Push it hard. Push it.
I love how he's like not sitting on the ground, but he's like just kind of hovering.
Yeah, push his foot. Push it hard.
Yeah, push his foot.
Tell Daddy, help me.
He says, ah. Look at right here.
Dance with him. Can you dance with him? Trying to catch his bells? What about this one, Aiden? Come do this one. Come push the button on this one. Make this one dance. Come do it. Come do it.